Community schools are neighborhood public schools that partner with local organizations to create opportunities for all children. Students can face barriers outside the classroom that make it difficult for them to be successful inside the classroom. By finding the right partners to help address these barriers with existing resources, children and families are supported both inside and outside the classroom. With resources like free preschool and after-school programs, dental services, mental health services, community gardens, and adult education, the Community School Strategy is reimagining schools to be a place where the community unites to lift each other. Each community school is as unique as the neighborhood that surrounds it. The Community School Strategy is creating lasting change for Idaho students and families by coordinating resources and relationships through local schools to increase opportunities and advance student and family success. Introduced to Idaho in 2014 by United Way of Treasure Valley, this strategy is now being used in schools across Idaho. Rural, urban, small, and large schools are seeing successes in increasing family engagement, reducing chronic absenteeism, preparing more children for kindergarten, and engaging the voices and organizations of their communities.
Schools are a central point for the community, especially in a small community. And so it only made sense to try to bring in resources for our families, to try to establish a connection with the community, because there is definitely a need within our community overall. We have a number of different resources here within this facility, the food and clothing pantry being two of those services that are offered to our families, and especially to our students who are in need.
Community schools are transforming the education system to give all students the opportunity to succeed. When one community school succeeds, others can learn, grow, and work together.
I would explain a community school to a parent as a place where all the barriers to their child's education can be overcome. And we've actually also partnered with our CTE programs in our high school, and they've done different programs throughout our FCRCs, photography, they did cosmetology, they did cooking classes, bringing it down to our level, the grade school level, so these kids can get excited about something that's coming when they go to high school.
The Idaho Coalition for Community Schools seeks to provide a means for local and state community school stakeholders to connect, deepen knowledge and skills, and advocate for supportive policies.
I really am so proud of the district in taking on the community school strategy, because the great part is not just our schools that are community schools, but now they know that other schools in the surrounding neighborhood can also access those services. And so I really feel like what we're seeing is truly changing the lives of our families and the community. And I think a lot of times people think about community schools being charity, and it really is about helping a family change their trajectory. It really is a hand up and not a handout.
Every community in Idaho is unique, and we can learn much from each other, gaining wide support across all sectors so that our work can be sustainable and impact Idahoans for generations to come.
Idaho's community schools are making a difference for children and families by celebrating local community strengths and tackling barriers to success through collaboration. To learn more about community schools, visit idahocoalitionforcommunityschools.org.